Morning, how are you?
Green Canyon?
Yes, please. 2 people.
2 person, room number 4441.
Yeah, 4414.
44414. Morning, morning.
Morning, how are you?
Morning.
Morning. Morning.
So we were picked up at 08:45 hours, and once we'd done all the other pickups from the other hotels in the area, we then made our way up to the Oymapinar Dam. This is an arch dam built on the Manavgat River in 1984. It is 185 meters in height, built to generate hydroelectric power. Oymapinar Dam is located 12 kilometers north of the Manavgat waterfall. It is an artificial freshwater dam with a capacity of 300 million cubic meters. It is 23 kilometers upstream of Manavgat town, 40 kilometers east of the city of Antalya, and located on a Manavgat river which runs into the Mediterranean Sea. The dam has 4 underground turbines with a total capacity of 540 megawatts. When built in 1984, it was the 3rd largest dam in Turkey. As more dams have been built, it's now the 5th largest dam. Because of the arch design, the force of water pushing against the dam compacts the dam and strengthens it. The weight of the dam structure pushes it down firmly into the underlying rock. This design is ideal for dams built on rocky, narrow gorges.
Time to head upstairs. Let's go this way.
Cool. And the wife sing every time. Oh my god! It's a crazy thing. Oh my god!
Every time she puts up with me though.
Every time the same.
But it's good when you go on holidays. You know, we go to Turkey, we go to Greece, we go Cyprus or wherever else.
Cyprus, nice.
Take this, yeah. We went to Cyprus in April. Took my drone with me.
So predominantly on this particular boat trip we have lots of German people, you know, just want to do what you and I want to do on holiday and want to go and see a few places. So what we got here then, we have pictures on plates. It seems to be a common thing these days. You go on a boat trip and there always seems to be a professional photographer who wants to take a photograph of yourself and your wife and, you know, put it on a plate or put it on something. I know they're just trying to make a living, and we appreciated that, and to be honest it was a good product. So myself and my wife, I think we paid about 40 euros and we got a quite good deal on quite a large package.
Boat trip over and done with. That was really good actually. I enjoyed that. Did you like that?
I did, very much.
Yeah.
Very much.
So I think the next stop is we're going to jump on the bus. Then we're going to go for some lunch. The restaurant, just taking a few photographs of my wife. Background. Very nice, that'll do. Get back to the table. So yeah, we're gonna have some lunch here now. Okay, so we're sat here at the restaurant, about to have our lunch. You can see what we got: salad. We got like a pasta thing going on there. We got some more salad. We got some rice, whatever else is in that. Chicken skewers, so they're really nice. Good. You like it?
Oh, you are filming?
Yeah, I'm filming. You could be on my YouTube channel if you want to, on my video.
Your video?
Yeah.
What's the name?
I don't charge much. Oxfordshire man. Oxfordshire.
Oxfordshire.
Yeah. Do you know the county of Oxford? Oxfordshire?
No, I'm not familiar with
Oh, okay.
I really enjoy this kind of thing. This is I'm in my element right now. I'm like a 7-year-old on steroids when it comes to places like this and a drone, and I just had to spin it around and just share these moments with you. Right, so we got a bit of a high-speed chase going on. I've got it on fast setting, the fastest it can go, and the drone is I'm trying to have a bit of a race with a jet ski. You can see it there in the picture. This thing will actually, on top speed, it will outrun a jet ski, depending what jet ski is, of course. If it's got like a big engine in it, then it's going to struggle, but these ones here, I think they're kind of toys compared to some of the bigger stuff they've got out there. But this one here, I had a bit of a race around with it. I'm not sure that the guy on the jet ski actually knew that I was following him. He didn't seem to acknowledge me, or the drone for that matter. But it was just a bit of fun, really, just to see, you know, how it would get on, you know, against the jet ski. So yeah, just guys thrashing around, having fun in the water, me thrashing around with my drone, having fun in the air, and hopefully not in the water. Anyway, I can't get too close because of the spray coming out the back of the jet ski. That would definitely probably down my drone, never to be seen again. But it was fun just to do this, just for 5 or 10 minutes, and after I did that, I then made my way about 3/4 of a mile back down to my place on that little jetty.
See you again, eh?
Thank you.
Take care. Let's go. Which way though is it?
Down that way.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? You okay?
I'm fine.
Warm, isn't it? Warm day today. That one there, Star.
2 beers.
Oh yeah. Good job. Good job. Cheers, Marge.
Cheers.
Cheers, my dear. There you go. Cheers, everyone. Gonna go for a swim later.
Swim now. What are you doing? Not later, now.
Okay, swim now. Ooh.